Welcome to Algebra Basics. In this video, we are going to explore trinomials. You will learn what they are, how to identify them, and how they are structured. To understand trinomials, we first need to look at the family of polynomials. The name gives away the number of terms. A monomial, like 5x, has just one term. A binomial, like 5x plus 2, has two terms. And the star of today's show, the trinomial, has exactly three terms, like x squared plus 5x plus 6. Think of a tricycle with three wheels. Let's define it clearly. A trinomial is an algebraic expression that consists of exactly three non-zero terms. These terms are separated by addition or subtraction signs. In the example here, 3x squared is the first term, 5x is the second term, and -7 is the third term. Let's break down the parts of a standard quadratic trinomial. Here we have a x squared plus bx plus c. The term with the squared variable is called the quadratic term. The term with just x is the linear term, and the number by itself at the end is called the constant term. Mathematicians like order. The standard form for writing a trinomial is to arrange the terms from the highest exponent to the lowest exponent. So if you have 5 plus x squared plus 4x, you should rearrange it so x squared is first, then 4x, and finally the 5. This makes it much easier to read and solve. Not everything with three parts is a valid trinomial. On the left, x squared plus 5x plus 6 is a perfect example. However, look at the right. X squared plus 2x only has two terms, and x squared plus 5 divided by x is not a polynomial at all because you cannot divide by a variable. Identifying these differences is crucial. We categorize trinomials by their degree. The degree is simply the highest exponent in the expression. In the expression 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5, the highest power is 3. Therefore, this is a degree trinomial, also known as a cubic trinomial. We can visualize trinomials using an area model. Here, we are multiplying x plus 2 by x plus 3. The large blue square represents x squared. The green rectangles represent the x terms, giving us 5x in total. The small yellow squares represent the constant, which is 6. This visual shows exactly where the numbers in x squared plus 5x plus 6 come from. There are two very common types you will see. First is the standard quadratic, a x squared plus bx plus c, which creates a parabola graph. Second is the perfect square trinomial, which follows a specific pattern that allows it to be factored into a squared binomial. Recognizing these patterns is a superpower in algebra. To wrap up, remember these 4 points. 1. A trinomial has exactly three terms. 2. Always write them in standard form with exponents descending. 3. The degree is defined by the highest power. And 4. Mastering trinomials is your first step towards solving quadratic equations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.